Hey folks, Kyle Casey from Hocking Hill State Park here, and for National Safe Boating Week, I wanted to share with you a few boater safety activities for you to do at home with kids. I have 3 different activities to show you that cater to different age groups that will be part of a short Don't Tip the Boat video series. These activities will be posted in 3 separate short videos so that you can watch whichever one fits your age groups. The first activity is called Wobbly Waters and will be for children in grades kindergarten through 2nd. The second activity is called Balanced Boating and is intended for children in grades 3rd through 5th. And the third activity is called Buoyant by Design and is for children in grades 6th through 8th. Okay, let's get into it. In this activity, Balanced Boating, we are going to use our knowledge of balanced, unbalanced, and overloaded boats to explore how shape might also be a contributing factor of staying afloat. Some boats are better used for going fast, some are meant to slow down and take it easy. Have you ever wondered why boats are shaped the way they are? We know how important it is for a boat to stay balanced, because if they are not, then we risk capsizing, sinking. We will look at 2 different shaped boats and compare them, a square boat and a boat with pointed ends, and we will see that different shaped boats can be easier to capsize than others.
For this activity, you will need a large container that can hold water, around 100 coins that are all the same size, a permanent marker, a pen or a pencil, some notebook paper, some tape, and some aluminum foil. There will be 6 simple steps to this activity. Step 1. Take your tinfoil and build 2 different boats. When all the boats are built, make sure the sides are folded properly to make sure there will be no leaks in the boats. If you need to or want to, use tape to seal off any sections that you are not sure if they will leak or not. Then, take the marker to label each boat numbers 1 and 2. Step 2. Fill up your large bowl or container about 3/4 full with water, and then put a single coin in the center of one of the boats, slowly adding coins on top of it, count them along the way, and create a stack, and keep doing so until you cause the boat to sink. On your notebook paper, record how many coins the boat held before it sank, the total number of coins in the container minus 1. Then, dry off the coins and repeat this step for the second boat. Step 3. On your notebook paper, write down which boat was able to hold the most coins. For me, it was boat 1. Why do you think your winning boat was able to hold the most? Step 4. On your notebook paper, draw 3 different arrangements that coins could be placed in the winning boat to hold more weight. Step 5. Experiment with your drawings by placing coins on the boat one by one in the same arrangements that you drew on your notebook paper. Using the same number of coins for the boat, create evenly numbered stacks until eventually the boat sinks. On your notebook paper, write down how many coins the boat held before it sank, the total number of coins in the container minus 1. Step 6. Answer these questions. Which load arrangements give the boat the best balance? Why do you think this arrangement of coins worked the best? Just because the winning boat's shape did better, does that mean other shaped boats are not good? Why do you think this? How might both different types of boats be used?
When we go out boating, we might be around or on other types of boats that we have never seen or been on before. Different shapes of boats can have different reactions when we place a load onto them, and being familiar with a basic understanding of what the design of the boat is intended to do can help us to be safer out on the water. By knowing how different boats focus their balance, we can reduce dangerous situations. The next time you go out onto a boat, try to pay attention to some different shapes of boats that are around you and try to figure out if those boats are being used for their intended purposes. And while you are out on the water, remember, wearing a life jacket on the water is just as important as wearing a seatbelt in a car, regardless if you are moving or not. A seatbelt can save your life in a stopped vehicle if you are hit, just as a life jacket can save your life if you are in a boat and something unexpected were to happen. I hope that this video helps to keep you and your loved ones safe when you head out onto the water this summer. Whether you are enjoying any of our great Ohio lakes, rivers, ponds, or streams, or anywhere else, it's important to practice safe boating techniques so that we can keep sharing our wonderful boating stories for years to come. Thank you so much from all of us here with the Ohio Department of Natural Resources. We can't wait to see you out there. Stay safe.